Welcome to part 2 of the Pocket Pony series. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to crochet the body and how to sew the body to the head. As a reminder, if you'd like to get the PDF pattern download with all instructions for not just one but 2 versions of the Pocket Pony, check out the link in the description box below. Now let's get started. For the body, we're going to start off with a chain 2. So here's my slip knot. And now we're going to chain 1 and chain 2. In the second chain from your hook, you're going to insert your hook and insert 8 single crochets. If you'd like to use the magic ring method instead of the chain method, you're welcome to insert 8 single crochets into a magic ring. After you finish round 1, round 2 is to simply increase all the way around. So going into that first stitch, I'm going to increase by putting 2 single crochets into that same stitch. In the next stitch, increase again, 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next one, increase. Next one, increase. And all the way around. After you finish round 2, you're going to start on round 3. From round 3 to round 8, you're actually going to simply single crochet around. We're doing straight rounds here without any increasing or decreasing. So now's a good time to put in a stitch marker. Again, I'm using this yarn scrap because it is so easy to just pull out a yarn scrap from your stash. And what you're going to do is just single crochet in each stitch around. Now we are going to meet back at the end of round 8. So I'll see you in a little bit. Here is round number 8 complete. To finish off, we're going to do round 9, which is to simply decrease all the way around. So going into the next 2 stitches, you're going to crochet them together and repeat that around for a total of 8 decreases. I recommend fastening off with a very long yarn tail. You will use this yarn tail to sew the body to the head. Before sewing the body to the head, you're going to go ahead and stuff it, of course. After you stuff your piece, we're going to sew together the opening of the body. The way I like to do it is to insert my hook into the front loops only, all the way around. And I do a running stitch, so I go in a front loop and out the next, keeping the end lax for now. In front loop, out the next, and in front loop, out the next. When you finish, go ahead and pull your yarn tight and it will cinch up your piece. So now the opening is taken care of, and you can leave your yarn in a little bit before you sew the head and the body together. For this next part, we're going to sew the body and the head together. We're going to attach the 4 bottom stitches of round 7 of the head and round 7 of the body. So those will go together like so. And I've marked where the 4 stitches would be for round 7. I'll show you counting down from the top. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th round is here. So we're just going to go into the 4 bottom middle stitches between the eyes there. And for the body, let's count from round 1. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the stitches will be sewn from around here. That's 1 stitch, 2 stitch, 3 stitch, 4 stitches. And we will kind of sew those together and go stitch by stitch. My best tip for you here, if you don't like sewing, neither do I, is to really take it slow and go stitch by stitch. So for instance, I'm going to insert my hook into the very first, insert my needle into the very first stitch I want to sew out of for the body. And I'm going to match it up with the head here. So I'm going to, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here. This is the very front of round 7, and here's the back of round 7. So I'm going to find the front here of the stitch I'm going into, and then the back of that stitch over here. We're matching it up. And now I'm going to go into the back of that round 7 stitch. And I'm going to also simultaneously insert my needle, into the next stitch in round 7 where I want to sew the next set of stitches. So here I'm working one by one. Let me pull this out a little bit. Going into that next stitch. So after you sew the stitches together, stitch by stitch, you should have this really clean and tidy look. And the head will be attached to the body like so. And now it's time to weave in the ends and fasten off.